Founded in 2016, Jiangsu Dalongkai Technology Co Limited is a modern, energy-saving, environmentally friendly, and intelligent equipment supplier integrating scientific research, production, and sales. It is committed to production and R&D and is widely used in resource recycling, waste utilization, recycling economy, etc. It is not only a professional manufacturing enterprise that produces large and medium-sized hydraulic machinery equipment in China, but also the president or member director of Jiangsu High-Tech Enterprise, Wuxi Engineering Technology Research Center for Waste Materials Processing Equipment, China Waste Steel Application Association, China Material Recycling Association, etc. Since the establishment of the company, it has always been based on energy conservation and environmental protection, guided by customer needs, with the tenet of creating value for customers wholeheartedly and the principle of fast and efficient. The company has a professional sales team, technical team, and after-sales service team, and ample spare parts storage at any time to provide customers with technical advice, installation guidance, maintenance, and other services. At present, there are thousands of sales equipment customers all over the country and around the world, and market feedback is good. Relying on scientific and technological innovation, the company keeps pace with the times, insists the principle of scientific and technologically oriented enterprises, and operates with integrity, with attitude and quality of excellence, sincerity and exquisiteness. The company adheres to the principle of creating, sharing, and winning together. The spirit of enterprise promotes the continuous upgrading of products and keeps pace with the international market, with the care and guidance of governments at all levels and relevant departments, and the support of new and old customers from all walks of life. The company continues to expand its scale and develop rapidly, and towards the country's first-class integrated manufacturer of circular economy processing equipment. In addition, Dalongkai Technology brings humanistic care to the extreme in internal management, condense positive energy, create positive energy, spread positive energy, continuously expand the workforce, improve the quality of employees, not only set up specialized lounges, pantry rooms, activity rooms, but also hold internal activities regularly to mobilize the enthusiasm of employees, enable employees to establish a harmonious atmosphere of dedication, unity, and cooperation, and create a good competition, and also provide professional conference rooms for the sales department. It is convenient for customers to visit. Through modern video show to meet all levels customers' awareness for different machines. Small exhibition hall shows the corporate culture and development process. Let employees feel the warmth from the enterprise. Let customers see the confidence and strength of the company. The company mainly produces various types of hydraulic machinery products. Y81 series hydraulic metal baler, Y83 series brigading press machines for steel chips, Q43 alligator shear, Q91 heavy-duty scrap gantry shear, WS content shear, PSX scrap steel crusher production line, and etc. Among them,